Do-si-do. Fun, fun. So it's 32 counts, 4 walls. No tags, no restarts. So it starts with our right foot pointed to the left because we're going to do a and point with the left, kick with the left, and a coaster step, and then a kick and a hitch, or just a kick, it doesn't matter. Kick, kick, or a kick and a hitch, and a right coaster step. Then we're going to cross left, recover, half, triple step to the back wall, 6 o'clock wall, point right, and step, and change your weight, and step, and then left, right, left. And that's important because you want your weight on your left leg, because the next step is a right sailor step. So right sailor step, now a left weave to the right, going right, but with the left, weave, and then a rock, recover, and a right weave. Good, then we point right, point left, heel forward, left, heel forward, right, and stomp forward with your left foot. And then we're going to do a quarter turn over our right shoulder with our hips shake, shake, shake. It's so fun. Okay, let's go through the steps again with words. So start with your right foot pointed to the side. And left, kick, coaster, step. Kick, kick, coaster, step. Left, rock, recover, and a point, and a step. And left, and right, sailor step. Left weave, rock, recover, and a right weave, and a left, and a right, and a heel, and a heel, and a stomp, and shake it, shake it, shake it. Left, right, left. Because then, now we're going to start on this wall, and we're going to do that. And 1. So the first part's quick. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Hold 6, 7, and 8. Okay. It's kind of fast, so let's do it a little bit faster with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Hold 6, 7, and 8. You got it. That's it. Do-si-do. No tags, no restarts.